Tesla Wall Connector provides an end-to-end suite of commercial Level 2 charging solutions, empowering owners to electrify their properties, attract EV drivers, and turn charging into a reliable revenue stream. This video will provide an overview of how connectivity works for wall connectors, why it's important, and dive into best practices for a successful wireless setup. A stable wireless network is essential for accurate billing and to ensure every charging session results in successful payment, as this is how property owners get paid. A poorly designed site network risks failed charging sessions, missed payments, and frustrated customers, directly impacting bottom lines. Working with a Tesla-certified installer to provide and maintain a reliable internet connection is the responsibility of the property owner. There are multiple options to provide internet connectivity for wall connectors. A popular and recommended option is to add a dedicated cellular data-based internet modem with additional access points as needed to ensure that the equipment stays consistently connected and continues earning. Recommendations for specific networking gear are covered later in this video. Property owners can also provide access to their existing internet infrastructure via a network switch or existing wireless access points. When using existing infrastructure, installers may still need to supply and install new access points to ensure sufficient wireless coverage. Additionally, some remote sites may benefit from satellite-based internet connection when cellular coverage is poor, although this may come with increased data rates. For installations with multiple wall connector units, a typical wireless network setup looks like this. Equipment that provides internet connectivity is housed in a weatherproof, lockable outdoor enclosure. Within the outdoor enclosure, an internet gateway modem provides connectivity to each wall connector on site with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Cellular network SIM cards are required with the internet gateway to provide an internet connection. The next section will highlight important guidelines and best practices for successful network setup and cover specific networking gear recommendations. Choosing the right data plan up front helps prevent service interruptions that could otherwise impact charging sessions and disrupt billing the EV driver. To help with sizing a data plan, Tesla suggests allocating 200 megabytes per wall connector per month. For example, for a site with 8 wall connectors, choose a plan with at least 1.6 gigabytes of data per month. External antennas are often included with this equipment and are required to broadcast the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network to all wall connector units within its radius. Larger sites will most likely need expanded Wi-Fi coverage. Wireless access points are strategically placed to increase the broadcast signal range to cover all wall connector units. To allow wireless access points to receive both power and data communication through the Ethernet cable, a Power over Ethernet switch is added to the outdoor enclosure. Finally, a power supply within the enclosure delivers power to the networking gear. While the final list of components may vary due to site-specific conditions, Tesla recommends 3 different hardware packages offering different levels of connectivity and support. The Peplink Network Package is a cost-effective solution for sites that need a robust connection but do not need advanced remote access point management features. This package includes an outdoor enclosure, a Peplink Internet Gateway with multiple antennas, Ubiquiti access points, and a PoE switch. This equipment includes multiple SIM card ports and may offer native SIM plans for the local area, which can simplify configuration. The Teltonika Network Package features the same equipment but is paired with a Teltonika gateway. The Cradlepoint Network Package is an advanced solution for sites and customers requiring a remote access point and security management features. The Internet gateways in each package feature built-in wireless access points, which may be sufficient for small sites with 1 or 2 wall connectors. In these cases, extending coverage with Ubiquiti access points would not be required as long as signal strength requirements can be met. With all 3 packages or any custom configuration of equipment, installers will log in to the equipment and configure some essential settings. This includes configuring the Wi-Fi SSID and passwords and disabling the broadcast of 5 GHz networks. Detailed guides to configure network settings are available in the Commercial Wall Connector Connectivity Guidelines document. For best connectivity, ensure there is clear line of sight and no more than this distance between each wall connector and an access point. Some materials, like concrete and metal, negatively impact wireless connectivity if they are positioned between wall connector and access points. When provided, external antennas should always be installed, even if the equipment is located close to a wall connector unit. Tesla recommends mounting wireless access points within this height range to provide the greatest coverage area. As the mounting height decreases, the permitted distance between the wireless access points and wall connector units also decreases. With the Tesla One app, installers can use the Wi-Fi settings page to verify the signal strength of each wall connector. Each wall connector requires a signal strength above 45% for optimal performance. If the signal strength does not meet this requirement, additional wireless access points must be added to provide uninterrupted connectivity. Please note that wireless repeaters are not recommended for this use. By investing in a well-designed wireless network from the start, property owners can maximize uptime, enhance driver satisfaction, and ensure uninterrupted revenue from EV charging. For more information about planning a site's network connections, refer to the Commercial Wall Connector Connectivity Guidelines document.